Nothing.
What'd you do?
Nothing. So you guys all wanted this bumper cut off, and I told you guys I thought it was a waste to cut this bumper off and put a different bumper on. Well, guess what? Steven has different plans, so he's cutting this bumper off right now. And what bumper do you guys think we're going to put on it? It's not one of my bumpers, so that means I'm not running this car again. This guy right here is running this car. What bumper do you think suits Steven? I don't know. I think we have one of the world's toughest factory OEM bumpers to go on the front of this. Can you guys guess what it is? Take a guess. Leave a comment. So Steven's running this car now, so we'll watch him all fix it up and make sure that he does it right. Fuck off.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase.
How heavy's that bumper, Steven?
Yes.
Like rough estimate?
What?
Rough estimate, like 20 pounds? 25?
Yeah, when you get to tech,
Put the other one on.
I'm just gonna. It's on. It's literally sitting. Lift it up a bit. Just a little bit.
Oh, I can't. Get a ratchet strap or a bungee cord to fucking go to the headers.
There.
Yeah, it's gonna roll ahead. We need to strap.
Do we have like ratchet straps and stuff?
Yeah. I'm filming.
Watch the struggle.
Wanna go? No. This is just gonna break.
How heavy's that bumper?
Yes.
Guys, this Subaru looks really cool. It looks really cool with the 74 Monty bumper on it. So, as tradition, whenever we weld the bumper on, we need to find the testing tool. So the golden sledgehammer. So there was an old rule here that Nathan Prince welds a bumper on, it falls off. Okay, it didn't fall off. Try the other frame.
It. Frame kind of moved.
Ooh.
Garbage.
Hang on, keep doing that.
That's the first dent in a 1974 Monte Carlo bumper.
Yep.
So you guys all gave me shit because I wasn't going to change the bumper on the front of this. And Steven said he needed a car. So I was like, Steven, take the Subaru. And you know what? He said, I don't like that bumper. And he hacked that bumper into pieces, took it off, put it on here. He's going to get his $375 here on the door. You're going to take off the Zacks Workshop roof sign. And we still got to make some tire clearances. But as you guys can see, it's pretty dark out. So that might be the end of us working on this thing today. But honestly, the Subaru's ready to go. It's got new struts, new tires, new axles, the old struts, new bumper. Headers are still looking fantastic.
9-wire the headers to the bumper.
this thing's going to be pretty cool. So thanks everybody for watching, and I read your guys' comments, and I comment back to almost every comment that's posted, and everybody's been saying change that bumper, and I said no, and Steven said yes.
I go with the crowd.
He's a follower.
I'm a follower.
He's not a leader, he's a follower.
I'm a follower.
So, stay tuned guys, this will be going to Beaton, Ontario. The derby will be over by the time this is probably posted, so stay tuned for Aftermath videos.